Hey boys and girls, I am going to show you how you can sign the alphabet as another way to practice the sounds as well. And then we'll also do the action that goes along with each letter. So you can follow along with me. All right. So A says A like in adding Annie. B says B like in bouncing baby. C says K like in catching camel. D says D like in dancing dragon. E says like in exercising elf. F says F like in fishing fox. G says G like in gliding goose. H says H like in humming hippo. I says I like in itching ichthyosaurus. J says J like in juggling jaguar. K says K like in kissing kangaroo. L says L like in laying lamb. M says like in mopping mermaid. N says like in nibbling newt. O says like in operating ostrich. P says P like in painting panda. Q is quiet, but Q with a U says qua like in quarterbacking quail. R says like in roping raccoon. S says like in surfing seal. T says T like in tickling tiger. U says like in umpiring uncle. V says V like in violining vulture. W says W like in washing walrus. X at the end of a word says X like in relaxing fox. Y says Y like in yo-yoing yak. Z says Z like in zooming zebra. Nice job. That might be a different way that you can do the alphabet.